I'm Goggles. We're in a fucking tunnel way down there. There's a big
I
old...
look like a gang sign. I'm just
So, y'all crazy fuckers have asked... Yes, I know, the hair's different. Yeah, it all fell out. But y'all crazy fuckers have asked me to fly in a goddamn storm drain. So that's what we're doing today. So, we're going to plug in the quad. And I will be your budget quad mover inside of the fucking tunnel. And I don't know how good a DVR we're gonna get, but we got Mr. McKnight holding the flashlight, and we're gonna, let's see.
You want me to follow after you?
No, you don't have to. I'm just gonna fly line of sight. I definitely not gonna try it. Actually, I'm curious to see what the goggles would see. Because I do have the infrared filter removed.
Okay. Might be pretty sick.
You're right. Yeah, let me kick the goggles.
Because it does get wet down there, remember that.
Oh yeah. Here we go. Got our quad plugged in, nice and bright.
Try not to blind you.
Set this the fuck down right there. And then, oh, that's cool. You can totally see it on the camera. Yeah. Uh-oh. There we go. What? No arm? Uh-oh. No signal? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's not good.
Can't get signal in this.
Oh, there it goes. God, this is so terrifying. Holy shit. All right. Alright, I'm gonna kick on the goggles now.
Gotcha. I'm gonna stand a little bit further back. That's a lot of dust.
Yeah, I'm not trying to get any of that shit out.
Should have brought our little masks, because yeah, dude, look at this. It's raining dust.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, it's not good. I'm gonna stand out here, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I don't blame you. There we go. Whoa! That's wild.
So much dust. We should have brought our fucking masks.
Like the ventilation masks.
Yeah.
I have one at home.
Dude, dude, I can see pretty damn well.
Am I shining it all right?
Yeah. Oh, we gotta record on the DVR shit. It's so fucking tight.
That's what she said.
You might want to pull your pants up or you're going to be giving the camera some booty cheek action every time.
That's alright.
The plumber crack.
Yeah, the droner crack. Alright. Can't see shit.
It looks cool as fuck from where I'm looking at it. The way it flashes and shit. You're about an inch to the left to hit the wall. There you go. Sick.
And there we go. We flew inside of a storm drain for y'all crazy fuckers.
Next time we'll do it during the day or something, or when it's not wet.
Yeah, next time I won't ask anyone to make me fly in a storm drain.
Ooh, look at all this dust, bro. Ooh. Yeah, next time we're bringing our fucking ventilator masks.
Breathing in hepatitis dust over here. Look what y'all made me do. Breathe in hepatitis dust in a tunnel.
Bro, this fucking dust is crazy.
All right.
So much dust.
Now that we're done doing that,
So much dust.
so thanks for watching my bullshit. And I don't know. I got a light dude now. I got a camera guy, a light dude, all in one. Thank you for watching my bullshit channel. I don't have my shout out list with me, but big shout outs to everyone watching this channel. I'll do the description thing and I'll shout out everyone in the description because I suck at editing. Anyways, thanks for watching my shit. Y'all have a good one. Peace.